Hi there. I was there and I was thinking, why don't I take this content creation a little bit serious? Then, with the little money that I have made from content creation, I I decided to reinvest it back. So I got one or two stuffs. So you can see over here, this is a table, a dining table that people pitches to use as a dining table. And I'm a toy. Hey, I'm not serious, so you can see that I am setting this up. It's already set up. Mr. Chevy is saying, hey. Then, afterwards, I bought a ring light, so I am unboxing the ring light. And I share the bag for faith. Next box, but box no. I'm you touching it, baby. Then I also purchased a phone camera stand. Okay, a tripod instead. And this is the ring light. Oh, nefe. I think this is 18 inches. 18 inches. And it comes with 3 holders. So this is it. This is the ring light, very big. And also the tools that came along with it. Mami impini had a bay. So minami I had a AP. And this is it. So we are going to remove every item that is in the box. So I think this is the socket. We're in the plug near the shishim now. That's all. No one connect my lighting. So that was it. So let me unbox that one too. And now me break a car because let me crack camera. Since I wanted to unbox it with you guys now, I decided to not use the tripod. So that was the first time. So can you see? This is the socket, the cable to plug, and also we have the camera holders. Okay, so this is one of the. They were three name me and some one of the me and the other and must have top tripod account. So these are the. Let me remove the cable from the box because I don't need it again. So yeah, this was it. Okay, and also it came with a remote. Interesting. So when you are sitting far away from your ring light, bit my day, I change colors no, or you can just control it far. So this is also the tripod for the phone stand. Yeah, tripod. So let me open that, and I'm going to open that as well. This one is simple. This is no so be as well na or BB hasi. Maybe so when you to camera that for maybe photography that's for used. At first find it fanboy with it, but as time goes on you'll be familiar with it. So you see in the wall in the bag, come on. Until maybe if we in a rubber name. Just remove it. Okay. So this is very simple task that you can achieve. Some people will ask me the cost of this. Oh, okay. I'll give you the cost of these items very soon, okay? So don't worry. The cost of them will come very soon. So I think the tripod, and when I made me changing, I bought it around 250 or 250 cedis. And 250 cedis. So and I'm in the 9 now. Instead the 9 to me a year na I ten. I want to make cut video because no mean to me ye. Abrante pa me na my betting as now to me the unit to so ring light so I'm just coming to position the ring light on my radio stand with the man top. Ring light it doesn't come with stand so you have to also purchase the stand alone. I already had one. But for photography things, but I use it like me use it but yeah, it was still available. So why they need to buy another one? And this one it was so like 350 400. So why should I spend much on this? Alright, so ring lighting is just them no. And then I was trying the controls. I wanted to use the remote to control it as well, but I didn't have battery and it was late. I was doing the unboxing 12 p.m. and I do cool and I made it. May unboxing. So this is it. I was inserting the camera holders. So this is the first one. So from I'm finding this is the second one, and the last one is going to come very soon. So that was the last one as well. So content creation is something that you can gain a lot of money from. I am receiving at least 1,000 every month just by, I won't tell you guys. If you want to know, I will later come back and tell you guys. Let's do the unboxing. So can you see the time on my phone? It is 11:49. All right, so everything is set up now. So one thing that I need right now is a chair. So later on, when we gather a little amount of money, we are going to also purchase the chair so we can use it, and then we are complete. So that's it. Thanks for watching.